By the stick, I hit it. I'm out broke till I run up a ticket. Beat up the pack. None of my niggas ain't doing no tipping. Big compact, hit the shots, make them break down. Used to be noodles, we fuck with the steak now. Used to be broke, now we count up them cake pies. Bitches on dick, won't be all in my face now. I got the 50 round up in the spray round. Used to sell down to the back of the playground. Here with the fifth, make a fuck nigga lay down. Here with the fifth, make a fuck nigga lay down. Whip by the stick, I hit it. I'm out broke.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy King Devil, man. You already know what's going on. Haters, get on my level, man. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're about to be roasting random people on Monkey, man. So let's get straight into it, man. Bruh. What's up? Where you from?
Miami.
Sure. What you been up to? Dang, you Mary Bell Lizard. You could have said something. That just pissed me off. I was about to say something about her head. Oh, hell no, you like a Maybach way back. Scream.
Five bananas.
Why you in the dark?
I got my first 5 bananas.
What? Ew.
Bro,
you like a monkey.
Fuck out.
Was that funny? Alright, now I'm about to start thinking. What's up?
She has a blanket.
What are you doing? You like Tony Hawk. You know what? We'll get back to that later. Just forget it. Good luck, Charlie. We'll get back to that later.
I got a question for you.
What?
Ford or Dodge?
Ford or Dodge?
Yeah.
Nigga, how about hairline or temp? Ugh. Oh.
What?
You like you about to cut me.
Wow,
you like you about to kill me.
Why?
You be she's scary, bro. What's up?
So my nigga was good.
What you say?
I said, what's up? My nigga was good.
Damn, y'all can't hear you. You sound like a wild and out air horn. Can't even hear him. Fuck. This monkey doing it.
Daddy.
Yo, you was weird, yo. Nasty ass meaty hand. That was weird. What the hell? Your headband is your bed sheet.
I'm from Louisiana. We are. Where'd you
Your headband look like a bed sheet.
They went through some point with
Yo, Sam.
I'm calling Walter. He's from Maryland.
Yeah, I'm from Maryland. What's up? Wait, what is this?
It's a peace sign. Do you know what that is?
This is a peace sign. That's 4K trade.
Hey, look at me. That's a peace sign.
Ugh. That was so disgusting. Heck. What's up? I can't even hear you.
You can hear me?
I can hear you now. That Android, bro.
I'm sorry.
Ugh. You're like Casper in the face. Man, yo from ugh. What's up?
What's happening?
You're not gonna say anything? Why you not showing your face?
Where are you from? We in the dark. Are you from like New York?
No, I'm from under your bun.
Oh fuck.
Oh, why are you wearing a hoodie with a hat? I'm about to bake you. You like a New York gutter rat. Yo got an army vest on. I'm about to bake you. Ugh, your Android, yo. You been compute. I'm about to bake you, boy. Alright, my bad, y'all. Yo, that Android made me mad. Kyle, there's a bunch of Androids on Monkey, bro. Come over here. I'm just roasting people. What's up? Dang. Look. Look at this. Look at the Android. Yo, Kyle, big somebody with me, bro. Cause I just got double teamed earlier and it wasn't even funny. Yo, he had a hoodie with a hat on. It's worse than what you be wearing.
If you
Is
don't
she
get
licking
your,
a fish?
bro, if you don't get your big,
What
if
is
I,
that? Oh!
that's a knife.
Oh, she licking a knife.
If she don't get her big,
Her big.
that bitch. If she don't get her big, if I have fun today, I can't have fun tomorrow.
Kyle, she was like this.
Her big, if I have fun today, I can't have
I
fun
touched that
tomorrow.
like a fish for a second and I saw the knife.
Oh, that's gay.
Yeah, you're gay.
Fuck outta here.
Yeah, you're gay.
You big, if I have fun today, I can't have fun
I
tomorrow.
don't know. Waterback snail.
Oh!
Yo, why he standing there like that? I don't be showing my face.
His big.
Kid, like, can you never? I know where you live.
His big.
Look, Kyle, come here.
The
fuck?
That's Rihanna. Oh,
Silent. Come on, bro, help me out.
Actually, what you get my pizza?
She's 16.
Ooh, she's practically
Ugh. What's up? Ugh. Dang, you holding your whole dreams in that bitch. On that big bonnet. You should have seen how big her bonnet is, yo. That thing was sagging. Oh, look at the boy. We got roasting. Your name is Devin? My name is Devin too.
Your name is Devin?
Yeah, and I spell it the same way. I'm gonna let him slide. His name's Devin. If your name is Devin, you get the pass. Kyle, look. Huh? Look, Kyle. You missed it. She like an iguana in the face.
I saw it. It's probably like
You know the pebbles you skip across? Yes, it's like. What's up? This nigga had his dick out. That nigga's dead. That nigga, I see, yo. Kyle, look. What the? You want a monkey at your job?
Yeah.
Oh, late shit. Where you work at?
Where you work at?
And Hardee's.
Hardee's.
The Hardee's.
Marty. Have a party. Oh. Look what Chris is like, bro.
There's no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time I tell her, good thing man won't pull it out songs. The hand 366 won't Bitch, now start bitching, doing reposts. Fixing anything except rolls. Still can't see them after snows. I don't have time for the waste man jokes. Personal thing if I'm getting up close. Loyal to old.
It'd be Drake.
You make second test.
Hey, big.
What's up? You're not gonna say nothing? Oh, this poor ass. Virginia. Oh! Yo, what are you doing, yo? Ew. Mayweather? God. Chill, Todd. Kyle, did you see what this kid was doing? Alright, I'm gonna do like 2 more. What's up? Ugh, I thought it was a strong bully from lunch. Was that funny, Kyle?
Yo, the lunch at school was so bad. It took out everything.
This is the last one. You gotta be in this last one, bro. Just go off. What's up? Nothing. I'm just cool. You're not gonna say nothing, long face? God. No, I'm not adding time. Ew. Let's stop it. Well, y'all, I hope y'all found that funny, bro, because I definitely laughed. There's some weird people. There's some weird people, bro. Come over here and show them what you're doing. Because you like a fruit. And then you're going to put your hood on. Okay. Just go. Just go. Just go. But, well, y'all, that's it for this video, man. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Look at all the videos if you're new.
Don't look at them.
And hit that notification bell, man. And make sure, hey, how about this? Get this video to 10 likes. That's right, just 10 likes. And Kyle will have to take his hood off.
Oh, give it 9 likes. 9 likes. Give him 9 likes.
That's 1 less. That's even easier.
No. Give him 800 likes, alright?
Shut up. Get 800 bips. Anyway.
If I did that, I would be bald.
Anyway, shout out to Talea Tooth Nation. Shout out to Day with that heck. You know what I'm saying, man? We out.
I was just up in the trap smoking rocks. The sheets in the funnel don't fuck with the blocks. I pull up and slide on this block with the pump. About Glock 26, bitch came with a drum. Big AR, bitch came with a dump. I'm really about action, this ain't what you want. I call them my killers, they really